everyone, we are going to cover this empty jar using this short rope. Here we are going to paste it using double-sided tape. Cover the jar like this. Then we are going to make flowers using fruit foam net. So make a pom-pom ball like we are doing here and paste them on the wires, and look, it is ready. Look at these cute snowmen. Let's make it using fruit foam net. Make 2 balls. Now we are going to make the cap and muffler of the snowman. So paste all of them together. Paste its eyes, tie the muffler, and look, your snowmans are ready. We are going to cut this fruit foam net, make weak cuts. Here we are going to make a flower, so paste double-sided tape on it, roll it and make a pom-pom ball. Cover it using this flower, roll a stick like this, paste all of them together and your flowers are ready. Paste yellow foam net on the sheet of paper. Here we are making corn, so we are going to make the husk. So cut the green craft paper, paste all of them together, paste googly eyes and it's ready. Let's make this flower pot. Cut the foam net and make the pot. Now cut this egg crate, make multiple cuts. We are making flowers here. Curve the edges, now color it and paste more flowers. Now we are going to make colorful pom-pom balls. Paste all of them in the center and look, your flower pot is ready. Look at this rose bouquet, let's make it. Cut the fruit foam nut, we are making the rose petals here. Paste all of them together, curve its edges, make more such petals and combine all of them one after another like we are doing here. Your rose is ready. Tie it at the end, now make the flowers, roll this stick and paste all of them together and it's done. Look at this beautiful bird, let's make it. We are going to remove the thread using fruit foam net. Here we are using colorful threads, combine all of them together and tie a knot. We are putting this tissue paper to give it more shape. Tie it like this, paste eyes and beak of the bird and it's ready. We are going to make bunny using white foam net. Make the head and body of the bunny, paste both of them together, cut the ears, paste all of them like we are doing here. Paste its black eyes and look, your bunny is ready. Let's make this colorful worm. We are going to make pom-pom balls. After this, paste all of them together one after another. Paste the antennas and eyes of the worm and look, it is ready. Cut this white foam net, tie a knot and paste it on the sheet of paper. Here we are making flowers, so cut this green foam net, then make the leaves of the flower. Make more such flowers and paste all of them. We are also making a beautiful ladybug and it's ready. We are going to make this flower using foam net. We are cutting this purple foam net. Cut the petals and paste all of them using hot glue gun. Lift the petals like this. It will give a 3D structure. Now cut this yellow foam net, paste it and we are drawing the leaves and stick and it's ready. Cut this bottle and remove the upper layer. Now cover it using yellow foam net. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now remove the threads. Here we are making the handle. Paste all of them together. We are also tying knot on this yellow foam net like this. Tie a knot, cut it. Your flowers are ready. Cover it and look, your basket is ready. We are going to make beautiful artwork, so paste the tree trunk on the sheet of paper. Now cut small pieces of the green foam net, spread the glue and make the crown of the tree. Spread the cuttings like this. Also we are spreading it on the ground. Paste the flowers and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.